Welcome to Prasad Scout channel. Dear brothers and sisters, I would like to share a small video about origin of scouting. Origin of scouting. Robert Stephenson Smith Baden-Powell, born 1857 in England. At 18, he failed his college exams, joined the British Army as an cavalry officer, sent immediately to India. In 1880, sent to Afghanistan to quell tribal conflicts. British pulled out within a year. At 16, promoted to captain and sent to South Africa. Boers were fighting with the Zulus. In 1890, started in Malta, promoted to major, sent on intelligence missions passing on the butterfly collector. Participated in the Ashanti expedition in 1895. Gold Coast of Africa, where tribes were fighting over control of the slave trade. Promoted to Lieutenant Colonel. 1897, promoted to full colonel commanding the 5th Dragon Guards of India, known as BP. In 1899, BP sent to South African Boer War. BP Commander-in-Chief of the Rhodesian Frontier Force. Dutch, British and native tribes fighting over land and sovereignty. BP defends the city of Mafeking from the Boers. Siege lasts 217 days. His book Aid to Scouting is published. Covers outdoor skills needed for military personnel. BP becomes a national hero, promoted to Major General. In 1904, BP becomes Inspector General of Great Britain and Ireland, tours England and finds many schools, YMCAs, and other youth military groups are using his book Aids to Scouting as a handbook. Over 50,000 boys participating throughout England. BP believes participation could be much bigger if boys performed more fun, non military type activities. He envisions a movement that could help the impoverished youth of England, begins to modify his Aids to Scouting book to include outdoor camping skills and citizenship. In 1906, BP receives a book entitled The Witchburg Role of the Woodcraft Indians, authored by Ernest Thompson Seton, an American boys group focused on Indian lore and frontier skills. The two men meet in London and agree to merge their ideas to form a boys' organization. The Boy Scouts was born. Each area would be set up as a council. Achievement awards were changed from feathers to merit badges. In 1907, BP published his outline for the Boy Scouts, received wide acceptance. Objectives was to make the rising generation of whatever class or creed into good citizens. Subjects are activities such as trekking, woodcraft, life saving, health, thrift, self sacrifice, discipline, responsibility, chivalry, and patriotism. Organization through patrols led by a scoutmaster. On July 29, 1907, PP held the first Boy Scout summer camp, Brownsea Island off southern coast of England, invited 21 boys to attend, issued South African Army uniforms, created patrol names. The first Boy Scout campfire was held on July 31, 1907. BP told stories about his military career. The last day of camp, the scouts played games. Scout planned and led. In 1908, a rewritten handbook Scouting for Boys was published, outlined the Scout oath, law, rank advancement to first class and merit badges, created the official Scout salute and uniform. T- Tens of thousands of boys joined within a few years. BP always planned on Scouting to be a part of other organizations. Boys wanted to be Scouts and only Scouts, led to a stand only Boy Scout organization. By 1909, Scouting had spread to India and Canada. In 1909, the King of England knighted BP. In 1910, BP initiated the Cub Scout program to prepare both boys and adults for scouting. In 1919, the King gave land at Gilwell Park to serve as the official Boy Scout training center, site of the first Boy Scout Jamboree and Wood Badge Leadership Training course. In 1920, site of the first Boy Scout World Jamboree. BP named Chief Scout of the World. BP died in 1941. Thank you.